Hi everyone, so for this workshop you will be needing 4 sheets of white paper. You can rip them out of a sketchbook like I did here, or even grab some from your printer. It doesn't matter, just as long as it is white, 8.5 by 11. You'll also need to grab a few black Sharpie markers. Here I have 4, all of which were kind of dying, but it's okay, as long as you have one that's thick and one that's slightly thinner. You'll also need your listening device, so grab your AirPods or your headphones so that you can listen to the instrumental pieces. The orientation of your paper is totally up to you. You can draw in portrait or in landscape, whatever you want. And when you're ready, click on the link we sent you in the chat on Zoom and listen to the piece. Alright, I decided to stop here because I was quite happy with it. I'm really just listening to what I'm hearing, the tempo, the melody, the instruments, and how my hand is moving in response to the instrumental piece. And the results were quite interesting. It is clearly an abstract piece. Nothing on this page looks realistic, but that's where you can have fun. There's no right or wrong here. And here's a second example of me drawing in a portrait orientation this time. So there you have it. This one actually turned out a lot better than the first one because the ink was coming out, which provides way more contrast. And I didn't film the process for this one just for the sake of time, but I essentially wanted to just show you what it would look like using a thinner marker. Here you can see the variety in different lines and textures. At one point I'm lifting my marker off the page and then putting it back on again. Let go of the idea that it has to look beautiful. Everyone's pieces are gonna look great in the end, I know it. You have 5 minutes for each song, and for those of you who are wishing, man, I wish we could use color, we're sorry, we really just wanted this lesson to be more about contrast and textures and lines, because color would have taken much longer in my opinion. This at least is fun, it's quick, and you get some pretty interesting results. So good luck, and we'll be back in approximately half an hour.